For me, kitchens have always been more than pretty boxes against walls. That's always been my philosophy. My story started 40 years ago installing kitchens, and it's progressed from there. There's so many skill sets in the kitchen installation I wanted to bring together all under one roof. The Kensington Scott brand is about attention to detail, local trades and a passion about what we do. By bringing my son Jamie to the business, we're looking ahead to the future.
It's about understanding each and every one of our clients and how their families live their life. The evolution of the kitchen means we're now designing living spaces, whether that's cooking a family meal, a drink in the evening, or kids doing their homework. It's the hub of the home. We're family run and all of our trades are our own. So whoever walks through your door understands the Kensington Scott ethos that my dad set when he opened the company. And that's really important to us. With both technical experience and flair for design, we produce stunning kitchens that are practical for real-world people. Whether it's a kitchen project or a full building renovation, our team can take you from start to completion.
The way we live our lives has changed.
We create a special space
For you to create all those special moments.